Hello, have you lost your Android device or has someone stolen it? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to find it. If your Android device is signed in to your Google account, you should be able to locate it easily using Google's Find My Device system. Go to your browser and type google.com/android/find. If you're logged out, click on the Sign In button. You need to enter your Google credentials to access your Android account. Enter your username and password to proceed to the next step. Once logged in, you'll see a map. I have multiple Android devices, all connected to my account. In this example, I need to recover my lost Samsung device. Click on the phone you need to recover. On the right side, you'll see the map updating. Just below the device name, you'll find the Wi-Fi network your device is connected to. You can also see the phone's battery level. On the right side, Google Maps will display a pinpoint showing the exact location of your lost Android device. If needed, you can zoom in to street level. Google Find My Device allows you to make your phone ring loudly, even if it's set to silent. Just click on the play sound button and the phone will start ringing. This is useful if you lost your phone in a crowded place, for example. If you can't recover your phone, Google allows you to secure your device remotely. To do this, click on the Secure Device button. This will lock the phone's screen with a PIN and sign you out of the device. Your payment cards will also be removed from the phone. Keep in mind that you can still track your phone's location after securing it. Click on Secure Device to start the process. Do you have private data on your stolen phone that you need to protect? Click on Factory Reset Device. Google. Find My Device allows you to completely wipe all data from your Android device. This process is permanent, and once completed, you will no longer be able to track your phone's location. Click on Next and follow the required steps. That's it. Using this tutorial, you can find your lost Android phone or wipe its data if necessary. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tricks. It doesn't cost a thing to appreciate my work. Thank you.